Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Polish Prime Minister Donald Tusk said on Friday he is worried about the strain on NATO caused by the US threat to take over Greenland. Yes, I'm very concerned about the Greenland issue, and I'm also very concerned about the events in the United States and everything that's building such ideological and political tension within NATO and the United States itself. The White House has said the U.S. was considering a range of options to acquire Greenland, including the use of military force. Poland views the United States and NATO as crucial to its security. In the face of an increasingly assertive Russia and policymakers in Warsaw fear divisions in the alliance could embolden Moscow, a U.S. military seizure of Greenland from Denmark, a longtime ally, would send shock waves through the NATO alliance and deepen the divide between U.S. President Donald Trump and European leaders. But Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni said Friday she doesn't think it will happen. I continue not to believe in the hypothesis that the United States would launch a military action to take control of Greenland, an option that I clearly would not support. I've already put that in writing, but which I believe would benefit no one. I think it wouldn't even benefit the United States of America, to be clear. Meloni said a reinforced NATO presence in the Arctic would help address U.S. concerns about rival powers gaining influence in the region, reducing pressure for unilateral action by Washington. The U.S. State Department said that Secretary of State Marco Rubio spoke to NATO Secretary General Mark Rutte on Friday and discussed the significance of Arctic security for all NATO allies.